Alright guys, it's finally time that I show you what's in my fanny pack. So, I know I'm like, people think I'm super weird. You think I'm super weird for this, or that's like the coolest thing ever. So, basically how this came about was my group of friends are like referred to as the Fanny Pack crew. So our friend Cheyenne, I'm sure she won't care if I say her name, but she like came to work one day with a fanny pack on, and she had like all kinds of stuff in it, and we were like, that's really awesome. You can just carry it with you all the time and you can have stuff in there. And they like, some fanny packs are actually surprisingly large, like this one. So we just kind of all embraced it, and everybody in our group got a fanny pack, and away we went. So basically we met because we all worked for this company. I'm not going to say because they still work there and I don't, but we would travel to different parts of like kind of this area and help set up new stores, and we kind of like use these to put like our supplies in, like the, you know, the pegs for like hanging things, and just like random stuff that we kind of wanted to have on us wouldn't fit in our pockets. So thus this was born, the fanny packs. And I actually got this one, it's a little bit beat up, kind of like scratched, but this is actually from Walmart. I do not support Walmart, but this was like the town we were in. That was literally the only store that you could like buy anything like this, and it was $3. So, you know, it's definitely got my money's worth out of it for $3. So it's like it's holographic, and it's got adjustable straps that kind of come loose sometimes, so I have to tighten them, but other than that, it's pretty good. Let's look at what's inside. I have it pretty much crammed full at all times. That's my problem. In the winter, I don't carry a purse anymore because I just can put stuff in my coat pockets, but in the summer, I'll wear a purse, and the bigger the purse is, the more I want to stuff it with things that I don't actually need. So I feel like a fanny pack, something small, is perfect for, you know, I just hit my hand on the table, but perfect for not packing so much stuff. I don't even know where to start. So I've got tissues, obvious reasons. And these are, so I haven't left the house like anywhere, you know, like I would actually need things. So some of the stuff's been here for a while. So there's some, I'm pretty sure these are from when I went to Vegas, but these are some Choco No-Nos from No Way Foods. So if you are vegan or allergic to dairy or any other things, then No Way Foods is good to check out. And these are like vegan M&Ms basically. Throw those away. And then some things in here I just kind of threw in that I would normally have. So like my little wallet. So I did not make this, but I am thinking about making some of this kind of wallet for Cultivar Citrus. Let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, I just keep all of my cards and things in here to change, rattle around. Surprisingly enough, the change hasn't fallen out of this yet. So, and there's no zipper or anything. It's just kind of like a little loopy. And then I have this pair of gloves. So it was kind of cold when I went to Vegas. Like here, it was cold here, but there it wasn't. So I probably can take these out now. And something I always try to keep in here. So this is a compression sleeve, tattoo sleeve cover thing. So basically what this is, you put it on, you know, like this is really tight. I don't know if I have gained weight since I bought this, but basically you just put it over your arm. Some girls that worked with us were wearing these because we weren't allowed to have visible tattoos. So that's why I discovered this. But you just put it on like that. And this is, the reason that I keep one is because of my arm right here. I am planning to get my sleeve done soon, but this keeps the sun off of it. Like it has UPF fabric, so it, you know, sun is not good for tattoos or for your skin really, so it's good to have like cover-up option. I might get the next size up. And these are also good if you do need to cover your tattoos for work or whatever else. And they make like half sleeve ones, or like just forearm ones, or they make little ones that go around your wrist, and which I never bothered covering these up, and nobody ever said anything, so you know, but these are a good option. They also make like leg ones and all that kind of stuff. So the brand is called Tattoo X, T-A-T, the number 2X. And I'm not gonna lie, I bought these on Amazon. I do not support Amazon anymore, so you can buy them directly from Tattoo X Even though like the inside band of this says Nelson Wear, so I don't know if that's like their parent company or what, but because my Tattoo X, and they have like black, they have nude colors, they've got like patterned ones, and all kinds of stuff, so definitely recommend those if you have tattoos, or if you just want to cover your arms up and, you know, not have to put on sunscreen. So speaking of sunscreen, I do keep a mini one. This is the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Sunscreen SPF 30, so there's this little mini guy. I think this is just an ounce. Yeah. And this expires this year, so I need to actually go outside so I can use this. I buy way too much sunscreen for somebody who doesn't go outside. But Alba Botanica is a cruelty-free company, and then Pacifica and Derma E maybe makes some. I think what else makes cruelty-free stuff? Kula, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Kula is cruelty-free, and then there's got to be some other brands. And the one that I am wanting to try is from Meow Meow Tweet. They are like a natural brand, and they make SPF that comes in like non-plastic, refillable kind of bottles. So I want to try that next time I'm in the market for sunscreen. And essential right now is the Everyone hand sanitizer spray, peppermint citrus. This is my favorite scent. These are like impossible to find right now, but they sell them on their website, and I actually like the scent of this. And I'm not, I mean, like, it's a hand sanitizer, so I'm not like able to say it works, but I mean, it's got 62% alcohol, so I think that's like 60% is kind of what they say it should have. So this is a culture brand that makes hand sanitizer. I think 7th Generation makes it, and then I also just bought a big refill. It's like, it hasn't gotten to me yet, it's still in the mail, but it's from this brand called By Humankind, and they make hand sanitizer in like a metal, like big refill that you can fill up little other bottles with. So something to check out. And then this little lotion, so this brand, I don't even know what this brand is. I'm pretty sure it's not cruelty free, but I just took this from a hotel, and because I needed lotion, I didn't have one with me. So this is just some little lotion, you know. I have some of my business cards in here just in case somebody is like, oh, where'd you get that, or where'd you, you know. So I have some of my Girls for Citrus cards in there, and I can hand them out to people if somebody asks about it. And it's good to have if you have a business that you have business cards for. Definitely keep some with you, because I know I've been in situations where I've been talking to people, and then I'll be like, oh yeah, shoot, I don't have a card with me. So, you know, especially right now where you don't want to like take somebody's phone and like, you know, give them your website or whatever. So a card is good. I'm going to keep a pen in here because somebody always needs a pen. And then I have some, oh, that's where that went. I have lip balm in here. This has been in here for a long time, clearly, but it's a Pacifica Persian Cherry. Cherry is probably my least favorite scent, to be honest. But yeah, this is still pretty full. I haven't used it much. So I might need to take this out of there and try to use it up, because it's kind of probably getting old. Then this is my secret to keeping strong nails. Well, one of my secrets to keeping like long, strong nails. They're actually getting really, really long right now, so I need to file them down a little bit because they're about to break. But and like only my middle fingernails start to like curl if they get too long. It's kind of gross, but my other ones don't do that. So I don't know. I think that's how I know when they get too long, is when my middle fingernail starts to curl. But anyways, so my number one secret to keeping strong and long nails is to keep them moisturized with a nail oil, or with like at least a lotion of some kind. And then also never, ever, 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 ever clip them. Always use a file, and not a metal file. Don't use a metal file. Don't use an emery board. Use a glass file. I swear this works. So keep moisturized and use a glass file. So this is from Nail Tech. I have a bigger, longer one that I keep at home, but this one I keep with me. And you want to keep it in this little case because it is glass, so if you like drop or step on it or something, it'll break. So I'm just kind of in this little case. I mean, there's a bajillion other brands that make these, but this one was the one that was immediately available when I was looking for one. So and the last couple things in there are like I have this NYX Tea Tree blotting paper. This has been in my bag for a long time, as you can tell. It looks really crazy, but I just keep these in here, especially in the summer, to blot my face when it gets really oily, even if I'm not wearing makeup, because I feel like I can kind of look greasy really fast. So my skin is like combo oily. Sometimes it looks dry, sometimes it's really oily, so I just keep these to kind of keep it. And it also helps control breakouts too, because if you let your skin just get oily and let it kind of sit there, you'll start breaking out. So this is really good to help that. And then the last thing in here is period products. I'm not going to show them on the camera, but my favorite brands of cruelty-free. Yes, I know all period like product brands are not cruelty-free, sadly, but my favorite ones are 7th Generation and Cora. So 7th Generation is pretty easily available at most places, and then Cora is, they used to be only like a tampon subscription, but you can now buy their like pads and tampons at Target, and that's what I've been doing. And I also do use a menstrual cup, but I just don't carry one with me because I kind of know, you know, when I'm going to need one, but I just keep like a cup pad and maybe a panty liner just in case. So those are in this little pocket in the back there. So that is it. That's what was all in my fanny pack. Let me know what you think about this video. I know it was kind of random, and nobody's really going anywhere at this moment, but you know, it was also good to think about for me because I might, you know, as things are starting to open back up, and you know, I just need to clean this out. So hopefully this inspired you to clean out your bag, your fanny pack, or whatever, and I hope this was interesting. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any other ones, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.